stick shift is just so fun, bro. Like, it literally feels like I'm playing a video game every day. DCT's cool, it's fast, especially like in a G80. I would definitely get it like automatic, but just because I want to go fast in that car. But this car, I feel like the F80 was made to be stick shift, guys. Oh my god, bro. And it's not even that crazy fast. Like, I want to make it faster. I want to make it faster, do upgraded turbo in the 85, but even with this power, it's still fun. And the exhaust too helps a lot, because like I said, these cars aren't the best sounding cars, but with the Valtronic equal length exhaust, perfect setup, bro. And then the DME tune. Oh my god. I thought that was a motorcycle cop. I got so scared. I just seen a motorcycle like in the distance. I was like, oh hell no. Alright guys, we made it to the LA Auto Show. We got Kevin, we got the homie Mark. Mark actually got us these wristbands. So shout out to Mark. And also 3D. His car is in the 3D booth, where they make detailing products and stuff like that. And they're actually the ones who hooked up Mark with these for us. So shout out to all of them. But we're in here. Got a GT3 RS, some McLarens. It's honestly like SEMA all over again. This is sick. The cars look brand new. Mark's car's in one of the booths.
Yes, sir.
You have to keep it here for a week, though.
Come through, yeah.
That is sick, though.
Yeah, dude. I've always wanted to do something like that.
I
would never have thought my car would be in the show.
Nah, that is insane. In the LA Auto Show? All right, we just made it inside, and this is where all like the custom builds are. Our type of cars, you know what I mean? Here's a G82 M4. This thing is sick. We got Vin Diesel over there. Wow. You see Vin Diesel, G?
Where?
Right there. Bro, it's Aaron's buff. I'm just kidding. Yeah, that thing is nice. You think you heard us? What if he comes over here?
He's looking at us.
Kevin's not scared.
He was dogging the shit out of me.
Bro, Kevin's scared. That dude's huge, bro. Look at the carbon, guys. Oh, matte carbon. It's like matte carbon.
That's pretty sick.
I like that better than Gossi, to be honest. Oh my. Look at this. STO. My favorite Huracan. Besides the Performante, but this shit just looks like a race car, guys. Supercharged? Yeah, how much do you think these are, guys? For this one wheel right here? Probably like $5 grand, maybe? This one wheel? Like $5 grand, I bet.
Oh, that's it. It's not bad.
Rich. Got GT3 RS, another one.
It's a nice color.
Look, same color, G. Sheesh, wide body. Got the trunk set up too. This shit is fire. Oh, damn, that was hard too. I actually seen this one at, what show was that? I forgot. Wreckfest? Sick ass red color. I believe it's the red that I want to do, guys. I think it's the Nosatec. That's the red I want to do on the F80. I think I'm going to do it. Honestly, that's the move. And like drag racing cars. Look at the tires on the back. Sheesh. For sure fast. See, that's an auto show, guys. So they have like tons of different cars. It's pretty much like a, well, I mean, look, there's even motorcycles. It's like SEMA. A police car. What the? Right next to the cop car, it's Mark's car, the F80. Look at this. He's really in the show. That's crazy. Looks so good under these lights and stuff. She looks brand new. And it's at the 3D booth, so I think they ceramic coated his whole car for the show. That paint looks literally brand new. Oh my god. That is fire. New wheels? Oh boy, we did the wheels. Let's see the shiny. With the lid? I want to get this lid, but how much is it? It's like $2. I can't afford. I'm gonna tell Kevin to buy it for me. I want to get that lid, lip, bro. That shit makes the whole front end look crazy.
But yeah, I cringe now. Like,
Dude, I for sure would break it, I think. Mark's on bags, but still, that is a huge lip.
Oh, you didn't say it yet? You didn't tell me?
I'm on bags too, low-key. But it even has little like fender things right here, if you can see. Has that, and it's all connected like one big piece. Damn. It's a sick lip, but I'm telling you guys, I would for sure break it. Got the little front mount intakes. I want to do that too. They got lowriders here too. This shit all pink. What?
My God.
She loves
It's
it.
beautiful.
It's pink and it has glitter.
Yeah, just look at that baby pink one.
Oh my god. Big old truck. Pre-runner. I'm gonna build one of these one day when I just have stupid money to spend. Damn, they got crazy lowriders here. Look at that. I wonder if Jay's lowrider's here. You guys know Jay, the homie with the G82. You guys haven't seen him in the vlogs in a while, but he has a lowrider too, and his dad has crazy ones. I'm pretty sure one of them's here, I bet. Look at the interior.
This one's my favorite. This
You would drive it?
this color is the perfect pink. You guys don't understand. This
Look at the interior.
I know. It's perfect. Everything about it is perfect.
Oh my god. That is way too much pink. You like it?
Yes.
Look at the interior.
Literally a Barbie car. This is
A Barbie lowrider?
stunning.
The lowriders have a lot of work. You know that these are probably, this is probably like 300K.
I'll take
Or
it.
more.
I'll take it.
I didn't know lowriders are that expensive, guys, but yeah, Jay was telling me that some are even in the 500Ks, like $500,000 lowriders. That is insane. I bet you these are a lot too. Custom bikes. We found an E46 and it's red. Hella clean. That shit look brand new. Sheesh. Pretty crazy. Did they come like that? Why body Urus? Damn. Goals. You guys like the new Mustangs? I wasn't even a big Mustang fan to begin with, but they look cool. I like the headlight design, but I mean, it's still a Mustang. I don't like Mustangs, guys. I just feel like they're very basic. But so are BMWs now. You see BMWs everywhere. Probably more than Mustangs now. Look, they got a freaking F1 car here, guys. I almost went to F1 this year in Vegas. I almost went, guys, for the F1 Vegas, but I just didn't go last minute.
Shouldn't this be an F1?
I know. But yeah, I almost went, guys. I was gonna buy the ticket. It was like $1,000 ticket. I just didn't know if I was gonna be able to get good content for you guys. I was looking online and I seen people like have $1,000 ticket seats, and like the view still wasn't even the best. So I don't know. Imagine how it feels to drive that, guys. And they like grip the floor. Look at the tires. That'd be so fun to drive. That would be like a dream to drive one of these. Damn, look at this place. See, this looks like SEMA. What the heck? They're test driving cars. This is like where all the companies, big companies, are showing off their new products, new futuristic cars. Oh, imagine they let us test drive it and I drift this whole corner. Kevin said it's boring here.
Where's the BMW section at? I don't want to see no left.
Where are the Lambos at?
Yeah,
The
bro.
Ferraris, the Chevy, Volkswagen. There's Nissan though, so we might have hope. There might be a GTR. It looks like there is actually a GTR over there. Or is that the new Z? I don't know. If I can see a GTR, I'll be happy. Look, we found something cool. The Lexus race car. That thing is sick. It's like the GT3 or whatever, isn't it? I love these GT3 like wide body cars. This is a real race car, I think. For sure. Look at the steering wheel. Damn. Hard. Still can't believe TJ Hunt built a GT3 G80. Look at the steering wheel. Yeah. Sick ass steering wheel. What if you did like a steering wheel like that in the GTS?
Huh?
You should do that steering wheel in the GTS. Like a race car one.
Wait, can I open the door?
Guys, it is a GTR up there. It's a Nismo. But we got the new Z, the 400Z, and up here we got the Nismo GTR, guys. With the broken transmission. Just kidding. I'm about to unscrew the transmission right now and take it home. Man, that thing's sick though. The new Nismo, the 400Z Nismo, and then the GTR Nismo. They both are like that gray color. The fresh kick spec. They literally made fresh kicks spec. Like Nissan literally made it. He wrapped it in Art Gray. He did the yellow brakes. Did all the carbon on the Nismo. And they literally did fresh kick spec. That's crazy. These shit are pretty nice. Look at that. Digital dash? What about one of these, David? It's the brand new Nismo. There's so much carbon. Sheesh. That's a little ass exhaust, bro. Why is it so small? Bro, my exhaust literally touches both sides of the carbon thing.
I'm sure you miss your GTR now.
I miss my GTR. Well, that's a tiny ass exhaust. Why did I have to put the GTR way up there, guys? I want to see it, bro. Look at all the new carbon on it. Kevin trying to do a thumbnail, guys. My new 2024 GTR.
Classic.
How much was that one you shot? Wasn't it something crazy?
228
220?
Yeah.
That's probably how much that one is.
MSRP, and then I don't know how much over you paid.
That is insane. 220 for a broken transmission. Guys, what does this car and Kevin's car have in common?
You shut.
The fitment, G.
Look at that. That's crazy.
That shit is lifted. It's a rally car for off-roading.
Why not lower it?
Look at the tires, bro. Everything's off-roading for this. Same as Kevin's car.
Shut up.
This is Kevin Fitment right here, guys. Damn, that shit is low-key a crazy rally car, though. For sure be fun in the desert. Look, there's literally one Pagani here, guys. It's satin gray or is it satin carbon? I think it's satin gray. Got the Fast and the Furious cars. Damn, all of them from the movie. So I guess Kevin R has his whole car collection here. I heard he has like the whole haul of just all of his cars, so let's go see. All right, we made it. Look, these are all his cars, I guess. Must be nice. Oh my God. No way you got a full carbon fiber charger. That is insane, dude. Like, it's crazy to see full carbon fiber like sports cars, but like an old car like this, all carbon, that is insane. I did not know he had that. I knew he was a car collector though. He has a lot of cars, a lot of older cars, as you can tell. This is what we need, G. That shit's sick. Carbon fiber wheels. HRE carbon fiber wheels. It's super fast 812. Corvette. God damn, this shit is like brand new. But yes, a nice car collection. Then I think it's sick too. Yeah, a lot of older cars. That's definitely his style. That shit got a roll cage? Damn, that shit's sick. Old school Camaro. I actually like those. You got HREs on this too. Damn, he must really like HREs. Bro, imagine we got a vlog with Kevin Hart, like doing car stuff. Guys, like literally all of his cars have HREs on them. That's so sick. This thing is beautiful, bro. The old man was just touching it. That carbon just looks like the cleanest carbon I've ever seen in my life. Alright guys, a few hours have passed. It is now, what time is it? 12:20 in the morning, guys. It's past midnight. We got Nick on the M8, we got Kevin in M4. And we out here, we still outside. What the heck? Look at this plate, it says yummy. I actually don't know who they are. I don't even think they're with us. It's random G80s. But anyways, Nikon wants me to swing the M8, guys. We might do it. We literally just did a couple donuts in that Fady back there, but we might do some on the M8. I don't know, he trusts me, I don't know why.
Let's do it.
I'm scared, bro.
Bro, do it.
What?
It's too much of a burn.
Why are you scared, Kevin?
Why not somewhere like private?
This is private, G.
In the back of Habit?
Yeah.
Get on your phone, shit's a cop.
Shut up, Kevin. Don't jinx it, bro.
No, it's not, bro.
Nick is gonna swing it in the M8. Oh my.
Hey, I had two fucking. Let's go. Hell no. Let's go somewhere. Bro, Kevin got so scared, bro.
Two cameras like, oh shit.
Bro, you didn't know where to go.
Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.